What up, tube? It's your boy DJ here with a little update on the new Knox software update for the Galaxy Androids. I have a Note 9, and I wanted to show you. My problem was when my phone would go to black, like when I was charging it on the front screen, it would not have my clock on it. It would on my lock screen, but not on my front screen. So what you want to do is you want to go to your settings, and it's automatically going to be on something different. So you're going to go down here to lock screen. And like I said, this is after the update. And see where it says always on display? I thought that would change it. But you got to hit here on always on display. And I have the home button clock. You can just have the clock or the home button, but I like them both. And then here where it says display mode, it automatically was set to tap to show. So if you're on your blank screen, you would tap your screen and it would show the time for 30 seconds. I wanted it always. So in other words, when you come into it, you're going to come into settings, and then you're going to go, like I said, to lock screen, and this is what it's going to look like. It'll say tap to show there on always display. So you're going to hit that, scroll down to display mode, hit display mode, and then make it show always. That way when you go to charge your phone, your clock still shows. And then you don't have to worry about hitting it or not being there. I woke up this morning after the update and I couldn't find it, and I was irritated and it took me forever, so I thought I would go ahead and do that. So I'll just go once again, settings, lock screen, go down to where you see always on display. You don't have to click the switch over here, just click over here to the left, and then scroll down, click over here left on display mode, hit show always, and it will be on. Unfortunately, I can't show you because if I go to my blank screen or my lock or front screen, it'll shut the recording off. But I hope this helps you guys, and please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.